my name is Callie Mize and I'm one of the attorneys here at Sevilla Law. A will is a very important step in creating a plan to manage your wealth after your death. A well-drafted will can make sure that you won't have to go through a costly probate process. When estate planning, you will need professional guidance to ensure that your wishes are carried out. Mistakes in this process by trying to do it yourself can result in even more cost than it would if you were to have it done professionally. Some of the flaws of creating a will yourself include using vague terminology, meaning that very specific language is used in creating a will, and it can be quite confusing. The use of wrong terminology can lead to misinterpreted instructions for the will. Laws regarding wills also change on a state-by-state basis. So when creating a will, you must consider the laws of the state in which you reside, and doing it yourself may not provide you with proper state-specific laws you must abide by. Another drawback of trying to create a will by yourself is that you may have less options available to you than an estate planning attorney would have. Do-it-yourself wills tend to be generic and don't cover specific areas that may be applicable to you and your family. Examples of this include children with special needs, an individual who receives veterans benefits, or someone who receives Medicaid benefits. Generic do-it-yourself wills do not usually account for these factors. Finally, a wrongly drafted will may refer to assets that shouldn't even be included in it at all. An example of this would be a retirement account with a named beneficiary. Errors like this can result in a contest of a will. Overall, the probate process carries potential to become confusing if trying to do it yourself. Hiring an estate planning attorney will grant you sound advice on tools and documents to meet your family's planning needs. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at the number below.